Okay, hello. Welcome back again to Hosomarine streaming. I mean, modeling Hosomarine. Okay, so we'll continue from yesterday. So yesterday we are working on the skirt. I think I will fix a little bit the front part of the skirt. Oh, hello Karim. Uh, Good to see you again. I guess. Welcome back. So you are here early, I guess. Yeah. I, I'm I'm not your sensei, I guess. I'm your master. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. Yeah, I think I will make the flaps a little bit more fluid, I guess. So it will look more natural, hopefully. Zizit says, nice, thank you. Karim said no nap today. I see. So you usually take a nap at noon. It's still this Karim. This is a wholesome stream. So yeah, it's 4 in Syria, I guess. Also, Karim is from Syria, and he said it's 4 in here. I think the plan here is to make the shape look more natural, I guess. Since this part is will be actually covered with the coat or the jacket, so it's probably not that important to add detail to. But still nice to have a better base, I guess. Even if the part is not that visible. You okay, probably I don't want this. I don't want this part to be too. I think I will. I'm not really sure about the. Hmm. I don't want this part to be that because this one is already. I'm not really sure since the of flaps. I don't know what this is called. Is it flaps or something? Right? The skirt or folds. It's okay. Probably this is fine. Folds. Okay. Hello, Raishin. Welcome back to the stream. So this is part. This part is actually a mirror. So I'm not sure about how the folds will flows. So yeah, I'm just guessing it out. I guess. I think I will also make the folds here a little bit more visible. There's a cape covering the back. Don't worry. Yeah, yeah. That's why I don't edit that much, but it's kind of nice to has a. I don't know. It feels weird if you only model the front part. I think I will add another loop here, just to make the folds a little bit more visible. Mm. Okay. You should render it. Karim said you should render it from four sides with and without the cape. Hmm. I will consider that, but I don't know. Let's just see later, I guess. Let's just see how it turns out, I guess. Okay, this part is a little bit. Wait. Maybe I will. I think this zigzag flow is should be looks more natural, I guess. Yeah. To create a natural shape or something is sometimes it's kind of subjective, I guess. But hmm, right. Okay. From this angle, it looks a little bit weird, I guess. So I will probably defaults will be a little bit down uh, in the back. Okay. Probably this is more suitable, I guess. I think I will try to push this one back. Yeah, yeah, probably something like this. Okay. Uh, I think we need to push back this bolts also. I think probably this is fine, right? Since yeah. Uh, but if I want to render it without the cape, I think this is will look weird. Oh yeah, frame set is just 5 seconds. Uh, no, it's 6 seconds. Okay. Oh, General Luminescent said, "Hey there." Hey there, General Luminescent. Welcome back to the stream. So I'm still continuing the card to make it hopefully doesn't look that weird. Okay, I think the what is it? The folds of the skirt is need to be a little bit uh distinctive, I guess. The folds. So yeah, probably something like this. Okay, probably that's since we don't actually if we only render the model with the cape or coat, we will not see the back part. So I think this is fine. Rodolph Lund said the skirt seems flat. I think need to be curvy on the helm as it was plain straight. Uh, Curvy on the helm. Where is the helm part? I'm not really sure where is the helm part. Is it here on the top? I think I will just use scoop tools. I mean brush. I see end of the skirt. I see. Yeah, it's probably sometimes. Wait. I'm sorry. Yeah, the helm, the bottom part is usually has more flows, but since this is the back, I guess I don't know. I just make sure it was there is something here. I guess I think it's looks fine from the front. Hopefully, we can always like I said before, we can always tweak it later. I guess. Uh, okay, this one is probably has a little bit more low to the back. Yeah, this is looking a little bit weird, this part. Okay. Uh, I keep tweaking the back. Okay, this one is also the port. It should be no need to overthink. It just match the concept pose. Uh, I think I follow the concept really, so it's fine. Can always can always try to restyle it a bit. I guess I don't know. The I don't know the exact way to describe that, but uh, the concept is not the what is it? The hard. What is the word? I mean, you don't have to follow exactly like the concept, since especially it's a stylized reference. So you always need to improve, I guess, a bit since this is a 3D. Okay, maybe I will just tweak it again a little bit, just to make sure it doesn't look that weird. I think I will make the edge more even. Yeah, someone said loop tools will help me to do that, but yeah, I will try. I will try it probably after the model is done, I guess. I already getting used to do it manually, I guess. Okay, this one is still to close the bolt, so okay, the white stripes is become is defined. So let's fix that a bit. Karim said main source. Oh, what do you mean, Karim? I think you meant wait. There is a plane here above my head, so it's kind of a bit noisy here. I'm sorry. So yeah, did you mean the reference? Yeah, when you're talking about the concept, said Karim. Uh, yeah, probably. So you don't have to. Yeah, I think I will repeat it, I guess. So you don't have to follow exactly how the source looks like. Sometimes you need to do a what is it of freestyle or something. Yeah, I don't know which proper word to use, but sometimes you need to do freestyle, I guess, something like that to your model. Since uh, not all reference is I mean, not all 2D reference is actually looking will be a good 3D 3D reference, I guess. So yeah, sometimes you need to uh, do some kind of customization yourself, something like that. I hope you can understand what I mean. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, this one is the white part is kind of falling apart. Yeah, especially when you are working on stylized character like anime or maybe stylized model. Yeah, you usually need to do a lot of you do you if you follow exactly like the reference, sometimes it's not the best idea since it's a 2D medium, I guess. So sometimes the perspective is not the best or something. So sometimes you need to what is the word? So customization or improvement or something like that by yourself. So I kind of a bit confused about the term. I guess the proper word to say that. I'm sorry. Okay, a little bit better. The line is okay. This one is so. For example, if you're looking at the, I don't know, if you take a look at again on the reference like this, for example, it has a kind of a weird perspective, I guess. So the bus is kind of too big, I guess, compared to the hip. So yeah, something like that is usually happen if you take a look at the 2D reference. Uh, I'm not critiquing the 2D art itself. I mean, it's good as its own, but sometimes you need to make adjustment. I mean, make adjustment to your 3D model. something like that. Yeah, probably adjustment is the right word. Adjustment. Wait, you Karim said, wait, you mean the bus is perfect size? Mm, yeah, probably for you. I mean, compared to the hip, is kind of I don't know. I think the left illustration is also has a big bus, but I think it's more has a better proportion compared to the hip, I guess. Uh, yeah, maybe since the right one is more like a sketch art, I guess. So it has some kind of quick sketch, I guess, feel to it. So sometimes, uh, yeah, for a 2D illustration, it still looks good, but in 3D, sometimes you need to make some adjustment to make it doesn't look weird, something like that. Okay, I think this is fine, right? I don't think anyone will see the back since it will cover it. I think yeah, it, you can unhide the jacket. I mean the cape, I guess, and it will hope the skirt will looking good enough. Okay. Okay. Next. Wait. Just a little bit. Okay. I think the belt is kind of okay. I think this is done. So the next part, we will continue to the jacket. So the jacket is here in the cap collection. So I think it's yeah, it's actually code. So I name it cap here. It's fine, I guess. So I will scale it. I think I will save it first, just in case. So I will scale it. Wait. What's happening? Okay. This one need to be okay. This is has a mirror object. I think I will just apply this. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? Why? Okay. Wait. Okay, fine now. I think I will scale this one a little bit up, a little bit bigger. I mean, and then we'll try it. This part is will be tricky since it has a lot of layers. Uh, the code. So Hopefully it still will looks good again. I think I will make a backup just in case. Transform. Okay. Uh, Now I need to apply the code so I can edit it just like this. So started with this one and this one. This one already applied. Also this one. I think that's okay. This also. Okay. Let's just I think I will hide the all details like that. So I will start with the this one, the black part, the cape itself. Since we already create some kind of faults here, it will be a little tricky to edit, I guess. Hopefully that won't be that bad. Scope that with post mode. I don't know. Okay, I will try, I guess. Give it a try. Post scope that with post mode. Uh, you mean using bone or no? You mean post brush? I haven't tried post brush before, so I don't know how to do that. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, yeah, post brush. Nelson Lima said post brush. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't know how to do that. I'm sorry. So is rigging the cape and match it to the body not possible? The reason that I don't rig the cape is because the cape is too big to. I mean, it's possible, but I don't know. It's too big to edit, I guess. I usually leave the a big part of the outfit to be unrigged since I usually if I need the rig, I just use different bones, I guess, for the body. The big part, the large part, like cape like this, since it usually has a weird deformation if I use the standard Rigify. That's why I just move it manually, I guess. Yeah, I think I will learn the sculpt brush more. The one that Pablo Dubaro developed, I guess, on the next stream. But currently, I will just use the workflow that I have been used. Yeah, yeah, I know how Nelson Lima said it's like the IK temporary IK on your model, pretty useful. Yeah, I have seen the demo, but I'm not really sure how to do that. I mean, how can I don't know how to set the root and everything. Uh, I think I have tried before, but failed, I guess. So I never try it again. I'm sorry. Okay, some part like this is kind of will be messed up since we already using the normal map and we keep editing the model. So it's fine. We can unwrap it again after we finish tweaking the model. So yeah. Yeah, I hope I can do I hope I can use more of Blender sculpt tools uh, in the future. Maybe I can try it on the okay. Some of you already know how to use it. Maybe I can ask you. Wait, I think I will just need to finish this one first. Okay, maybe I can use. Okay, I will try it, I guess. So how can I do that? I think I will save it first. So I will go to scope mode and then pose. How how to how can I make the root here and I will rotate here? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Yeah, that's really useful, I guess. So you need to uh make your brush big. So what is it? The bone will be bigger, I guess. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, thank you for reminding me, I guess. Nelson Lima 3D. Thanks for the tip. Uh, I the last time I try to use that, I get confused how to set the pivot, I guess. So yeah, it's just the you need you only need to scale the brush size, I guess. The white line is IK and you can rotate from the view. I see. Yeah. Thank you. Set Nelson Lima 3D. Yeah, I will use that more, I guess. So I think I will also use this, right? So okay, it's kind of slow. Okay, it's not that slow. How can I this part? How can I move this? Okay, I think I will just do it manually again. Alua 7 said nice tool, yeah. Post tools is really nice. Nelson Lima 3D said non-pay always from the tip. What do you mean? Uh, you can only use Scott brush for on the tip. You need to create a sim to post it accordingly, said Rodolph Lum. What do you mean? What sim? Close simulation? Do you mean close simulation? So this one is kind of has with auto smooth, so okay. I will make it larger, the value. Do you mean close simulation? I also don't not really sure how to do close simulation in Blender. Nelson Lima said for the post brush. Yeah, I think it only works if you have some kind of what is it? Trunk size or it the post brush will works at the tip. So if you have for example, I don't know, is it working if I do it right here? No? Oh, I see. It will use the radius, I guess. It will move all the radius. Rodolph Lum said UV sim and double click to create loop for the post brush. UV sim. Okay. Double click. Double click what? UV. Okay, I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not really follow. What is that? What do you mean, Rodolph Lum? Here's a 2-minute tutorial on Postgres. Okay. What is that? So a lot of people here. It's kind of expert on using scope in Blender. Okay, wait. I think I think I will just use what is it? Grab. I use I usually only use Grab for brush before this stream. I guess this is the first time that I actually use the brush, at least for some part of the mesh. So thank you for the tips. I mean the tips. Okay, this one is kind of too many manual fold, I guess. So I think I will collect some of this. Wait. This one is okay. Okay. I need to move this one a little bit down. Yeah, I will just use. It's the performance is kind of really low if I'm using material mode. Yeah. Material mode is. I mean, material view is kind of has a lot of optimization to do, I guess. Okay. Material view is for premium people, said Karim Haddad. Yeah, probably. Material view. Okay, I think I will just use this reference. I will use post brush over here. So this one. I think it moves a lot of the. I don't know how to control to make it smaller. I guess. Some, some of you probably already know about that. But so I think the post brush is only working on its radius, right? So what if I just want to? It's kind of hard to explain. I don't know. Wait. How is Postgres possible if I want to only move this kind of, what is it, uh, long shape like this? So if I want to create some kind of fold here, is it possible using Postgres? No. Uh, so the problem is with the Postgres, it only works with the big shape like this. So what if I only want to move only a little bit, just like this, probably something like this. Is it possible? Yeah, I mean specific part of the mesh. So the long part here, is it possible? Uh, do do any of you know about this? Postgres is only work on the tip. Setrenardio Riantono. So yeah, probably this is not a possible thing to do on the Postgres. Okay. Okay. Uh, this is my actual first time using Postgres, so yeah. Is Alt for rotate the mouse. Okay, let's do it. Let's try it. Maybe this one, since it has a lot more vertices. Alt, then what? Okay, my Alt is actually used for rotating the camera, so I'm sorry. I think so. I use the emulate mouse button. I'm sorry because it's kind of useful for using pen. You can do face sets. Okay, I never used facet before. So so you can mask on only yeah, I think yeah, I think I know what you mean. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure how. Wait. I want to use standard graph first with this shape. Okay, the back part is some this is actually face shape, right? Face, yeah, face. Shift with scope mode with the pen face sets. Shift with scope mode. Shift is for smoothing the face, I think. Is it has something else? Some other function? Okay, I'm not that familiar with the new Blender feature on face map and everything like that. Shift plus W. Okay. Shift plus W. What is that? What what I'm doing with this? Oh, in the scope mode. I see, I see. Shift plus W. Oh, I see. And then, how can I? Okay. Then how can I mask to only use this? For example, I want to. It's still all the. How can I only move this part, for example? Is this a way to do that? How? On the main preference for the tool. Okay, this one. So, in the preference panel. What? So I need to go to preference and then deformation 2. What do you mean? Is it here or in the... Oh, it's the end panel. Deformation 2. Where is it? Oh, deformation 2 geometry. Okay. Only there is two. Close simulation and there is no facet. I'm sorry, I'm kind of new with this kind of thing, so uh, forgive me if I'm kind of slow. So Shift W is for... Okay. I'm learning new thing here. Okay, I on advanced I see. And advanced then oh I see facets. Oh I see. Now it only moved the mask. Okay. Hmm. How about mesh boundary? What is mesh boundary? Facets boundary. Okay, let's try facet boundary. So it's only affect the... At least mostly on the side of the facet, I guess. Since this is not a multi-res mesh or something, so it has a really big topology. Okay. On the facets, any color. Okay, that's right. Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. How can I remove a facet? For example, how can I erase some of the facet? Can I use brush or something? How is what is color? What? What's going on? Hmm. Okay. I think I need to experiment more, I guess. With the on the top menu facets. Okay. Then shrink facet. Nothing happened. Grow facet. Nothing happened. Oh, I see. Defined by UVs. Where is defined by UVs? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I see. I see. How can I remove or add facets? For example, how can I remove this? For example, I want this one to be a little bit spread. Uh, is there any way? Boss mask, box facet. Oh, this is box facet. Edit facet. Oh, string facets. I see, yeah. I think I know. It's not that mass by color. Wait. No. No, what's happening? What's happening here? Okay, I think I will. Okay. I think okay. Since this is for okay, wait. Since this is for time lapse, so I'm sorry. I need to rewind a bit since there is some kind. So I want to this part to be I mean I want this stream to become a time lapse. So if I get distracted for something, I will just open the recent files. I guess to have a checkpoint to so I can continue to the next part. I guess Alt M. Okay, okay. Maybe I will try it a little bit again. Alt M. Okay. Wait. So Shift W to create a new facet. Shift W and Alt M to. Okay, it doesn't work. Alt M. How can I? You need to watch this tut for JNM for facet. Oh, I see. I see. I think yeah. I need to. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I probably need to learn that first. So we are back here. I'm sorry. Uh, wait, wait, wait. I need to make this a little bit consistent. So this one is little mirror. So yeah. Okay. This is a little bit too far. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm go back too far. I guess. I think before I try something new, I should save the files first. I'm sorry. I forgot to do that before. So, where is it? So, yeah, I go back to this path again. I'm sorry. Uh, yeah. Okay, hopefully this one won't be that long. You need to watch this too for JNM. Okay. I think I will, since this stream is mostly still will be polygon modeling. Yeah, I think I will try to maybe on the next stream I will the next series for different characters or different model or something. I will try to do more of a sculpting. Uh, but for now it's still mostly will be standard modeling since this is what I'm usually do, I guess. So yeah, thanks for all the inputs, I guess. So yeah, I'm sorry if the workflow is not the best, I guess. I'm also still improving uh, my workflow. So yeah, I mostly just use standard modeling, I guess, to do things in Blender. Like this, for example, I just adding. I keep adding new looks and everything. I love render adept said. I love this type of stream. To be honest, thank you, thank you. I hope this is doesn't too chaotic, I guess. Since I also still learning a lot of things about Blender. Yeah, I hope I can improve, I guess, by doing stream. Yeah, since I realize sometimes the my usual workflow by using the standard modeling like this is kind of time consuming. Okay, Karim, I'm just lazy to read your chat again. Hopefully, if I can get used to sculpting again, hopefully I can do my work a little bit faster, I guess. So, are you do sculpt? I heard your name multiple times, I guess. Nelson Lima 3D. Are you usually do sculpting in Blender or something? Yes, I only sculpt in Blender, said Nelson Lima. Nice. You should heard that, Karim. Karim, you need to only sculpt in Blender, you know? Yeah, I think I heard your name, Nelson Lima, several times. I think I will search your name on Google. I see you are you have some kind of time lapse on your. I think I will learn from you from your videos, I guess. Nelson said, "Yes, I think ZBrush has really nice tools, but they don't have freedom, so it's fair." Aha. Yeah, Karim, you heard that? You don't have a freedom. You know that? You need to use Blender to have a freedom. Probably. Yeah, you can. I'm sorry. I'm just joking. You can always use any tools you want, I guess. What's happening here? Okay. So I keep adding a new loop after new loop in this part. So and okay. I actually already had new loop here before, but since I reload the files again, it's gone now. Karim had that. Yes, become a correct member of ZBrush like your boy. Hmm. See. Okay. There is I don't know. I don't know what to say. Sorry. This is a legal stream, Karim. So your advice is not accepted here. You know. This is a very uh, wholesome and legal stream. I mean, you we only advise using open source here in this stream, probably. You become speechless out of my criminal record, said Karim. Yeah. I think you should give it in, I guess, before it's too late. Yeah. The punishment, uh, I think the punishment won't be that much, I guess, if you give it in now. Right. So, host with the new owner of ZBrush that bleed through the last month. Uh, who is the owner of ZBrush now? Maxon, right? Or something? Karim said, nah, I wanna see how many years I'll get when I get caught. I think you'll get a lot of more punishment by then, I guess, since you already used a lot of ZBrush without paying, I guess. I will move this a little bit to the right. So the ZBrush police will hunt you, I guess, if there's any. Rodolph Loom said Maxon bought it and increased the price. Yes, Maxon is turning ZBrush darker in price and development. Uh, are you, Nelson, are you using ZBrush before Blender? Or you ever only sculpted in Blender? Karim said, unless you'll keep it a secret. No, his, his stream will prove. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. the stream will be approved in the what is it? The Supreme Justice, I guess, Court, Supreme Justice Court, or Zebra's Court, or something. Yeah, are you using ZBrush before using Blender, Nelson? I'm just curious, I guess. So, is there any people that I think the we said the Pablo de Barro is actually using ZBrush first, and then he's porting all the necessary the tools that he used on Blender. Yep, used it before. Nelson Lima said. And watch a lot of ZBrush time lapse and to searching for the techniques. Yeah, I actually also learned from ZBrush time lapse, but trying to implement it in Blender, I guess. I think the one thing that I'm kind of rarely to use Sculpt again is because the retopology process that I don't know. I feel like I'm too lazy to do that. Do you use retopo tools or something? Uh, Nelson, are you usually retopo your model or something? I think yeah. I think I ever. I'm sorry. I think I have said on the stream before that I feel like when I'm doing a retopo, I feel like I'm doing a modeling again. I mean, I I feel like I did modeling twice, something like that. So it's also one-way process, I guess. So if you already retopo the model, uh, and you are using multi-res, I guess, to add more detail, uh, it's usually one-way process. So I mean, if you if you already add multi-res, it's kind of harder to add more details using, for example, using this kind of tool, adding more loops or something. Yeah, that's I think yeah, that's my uh kind of issue with the sculpting, I guess. That's why I usually just use multi-res at the very last stage of the modeling. So when I'm really sure I don't want to add more details, something like that. Yeah, render adept said I agree. Don't reuse for it if you want to more add a lot of detail like pores and wrinkles, which you then need to bake into normal map. Yeah, yeah, it's usually the use case for multi-res. So if you want to create shape or something or sketch is it's probably not good. I think Blender has a remesh. So the workflow is usually you copy the or you sketch using Blender and remesh it again and again to make the make the vertices even, I guess, the polygon even, and then if you already uh, already want to add detail, you need to retopo it and using multi-res, something like that. So yeah, I think that's fine. I want to try that workflow again, I guess. I don't know. Let's just see which one is the faster workflow to do. Okay. Since in the last few years, I mostly just use standard modeling for my workflow. Yeah, when wait, is it fine to add? Okay, okay, this one is become chaotic again since we already use a normal map. It's fine. We can fix that later. We can unwrap the UV again later. This one is actually wait. I will have this first. So, uh, are you still there, Nelson? I'm sorry, I'm just rambling before. Okay. I think that is become quiet, I guess. Rodolph Lung said Nelson mom asked him to buy vinegar from the store. LOL joke. I see. Okay. I think this part is a little bit weird. Yeah, probably Nelson is still on the store. Okay, just kidding. Sorry. If you can see there, what is it? The arm of the jacket, kind of large. Had a rather large size. So okay. Also, since I use proportional editing with connected, so if I move only this one, the back part is not follow. Yes, sometimes I forgot about that. I think wait. Okay, this kind of I'm adding another loop here. Yeah. Are you already back from the store, Nelson? Yeah. I hope your mom is happy with the vinegar. Hmm. This one is actually I'm not really sure, but if I saw something like this in 2D, it's not always looking good, I guess, in 3D. Nelson Lima said yes. Okay, that's good to hear. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I just need to put this shape again. Sorry, my connection was over a few minutes. Oh, I see. Said Nelson Lima. It's fine. Uh, my stream is also some kind of sometimes buffering issue, right? I still get some kind of warning here because the current bitrate is not enough for YouTube. So I hope it doesn't look that bad on your end. Okay, I will. Yeah, probably the flow is kind of so the it has some kind of flow to the side the cape. Maybe I will see the other reference. Okay. Well, I'm watching in for 144. It could be better, I guess. Yeah. This stream is designed for 14. 14 4 how can I say it? 144 P. Yeah. The Brush Police Scanning Nelson System. Yeah. Uh, don't let your don't let the Brush Police to get inside your house, I guess. The Police is watching you. Okay, hopefully this is nothing look that weird. Uh, how long have been I have been live in 1 hour 58 minutes, so still plenty of times to fixing the tape and talking about ZBrush polish or ZBrush license. Yes, Karim said speedrun any percent. Yeah, yeah. I'm just doing that. Okay, I will speedrun the code. Any percent. Okay. This one is kind of low right here. Yeah, I think this is looking rather nice. Uh, wait, this one. Uh, you don't have to model it exactly like the reference. Like I said before. But if you saw uh, the reference is kind of look good, I think it's fine to try to achieve that, I guess. So I think the backflow is kind of rather nice. So I will try to emulate that in here. So it has some kind of flow right here. The cake. Let's take a look from the back. So it's yeah, it's the the heels is kind of in the way. Are you are you doing this as a hobby? What is your day job? I'm a game developer at noon. Uh, Most of the time, I guess. Yeah, it's probably divided between these. modeling and game development. Not that soon though. It's more like a year or something. It's still I'm still early. The game is still very early to show. I mean, that's what I meant. Yeah, I'm actually undercover Zebras Wallis. Agni said that in the chat. Yeah, I'm actually using ZBrush when I'm not streaming. You know, that's why I don't know about the Postgres. Yeah, because I'm using ZBrush. But there's is Postgres in ZBrush, right? I'm sorry. I'm using. Would you change anything on this model if render adept said? Would you change anything on this model if it needed to be animated for a game? I'm always worried about the angles creating creating weird rendering artifacts. Uh, when actually the triangles is actually fine, especially on for a game. If your if your target is actually a game, since every polygon in game engine is actually a triangle, so it's fine to use the triangle. The problem is with triangle is if you are using subdivision surface modifier. That's the problem. Usually, it's also actually fine sometimes. For example, you can see there is a triangle here, but you don't see that much with shading here. So it's probably fine sometimes. Yeah. Rudolph said, I'm 2D artist as a hobby and architect designer day job, but I love you watch 3D tut. This is not, yeah, this is not, at least, uh, I don't format this as a tutorial, but thank you, I guess. It's still just a random test stream or, yeah, I hope it still can be useful, even if the quality is not that, I mean, the workflow and everything is kind of a little bit chaotic, I guess, for most people. Yeah, hopefully I can still create time lapse. I mean time lapse out of this. So it's already has what is it? Maybe almost 3 hours of footage. So I don't know if I can edit them. Hopefully I can. If you, it would be nice to see your keystrokes for those of us trying to learn from your stream. Uh, I don't think I can show you that. The reason is because I'm using custom key map. The reason I also use custom key map is because my keyboard is 65%, so it has no numpad and has no, what is it, the arrows is there, but the function row and the buttons above the, what is it? The arrows is kind of not there. So I remap several keys to, like, for example, you need to use, what is it? The dot on the numpad to focus on your object, but I remap it to, I think, comma. So I I'm afraid if I show my keystroke, it's kind of make it a little bit misleading since I customize it manually. You do kind of scope on edit mode. It's really crazy, man. Yeah, that's what I mean with the uh, chaotic workflow. So this is yeah, this is my kind of workflow, sculpting in edit mode. Yeah, because yeah, like I said before, because I don't know, it feels like the same thing, like, or maybe a little bit different, but it's probably similar with red topology, but you don't have the base shapes, I guess. Wait. So yeah, I by doing this stream, yeah, I hope I can experiment with my workflow again. Since you keep giving me tips and everything, I think, yeah, I think it will be interesting to use sculpting again, I guess. I mean, mostly sculpt workflow. Yeah, you still need polygon modeling still, even if you're on sculpt mostly, means yeah, since 3D is mostly based yeah, it's all based on polygons and vertices and everything. So yeah, even on ZBrush. So yesterday there's some discussion, I guess. Even on ZBrush, you still need to use the polygon tools to create something. So it's always be useful, but I think, yeah, I will try to use scope tools more, I guess. Hopefully soon in the next project or something. Let's just see. So you probably I don't know if you follow the earlier part of the stream. So I wait, I will save this first. So I get much inspiration a lot with this account in Twitter. So this account is only used. I hope there is nothing. Okay, this account is only use what is it? Polygon modeling in his or her works. So yeah, I get my inspiration a lot from this work. Thank you. I'm using Maya. He's or she's using Maya, I guess. So I want to replicate the kind of, see. Yeah, he's also create some kind of little animation. It's kind of nice. If you never heard of this account, you probably want to see that. He he posts frequently on this Twitter account. Probably, not every day, I guess, but very common. So as you can see, it's all created using a standard polygon, I guess. So it's just extrude or everything and using knife. Yeah, yeah. Probably this kind of workflow is not for everyone. So yeah, it's okay. It's for you who are interested. It's the name is Sakuramochi. What is it? JP at twitter.com. Okay. Uh, so yeah. I actually used to, if you already follow this channel before, uh, I used to also use Sculptors first for my model in my works, but I don't know. I try to use the same technique as Sakuramochi, and I think this is the result, I guess. Mm. Now if you look something like this, the fault is kind of connected. So to make it more natural, I guess. I used to separate this, so this one will be connected to the here. So this is how to do it, I guess, to sculpt using modeling tools. So just to connect the wait, connect the mesh. So if you want to, it's a little bit cumbersome, but yeah, it's kind of fine if you. So this one will be connected right here. So I will put it into the top, the upper fold. Okay. I only use mostly just knife, the J circuit. I don't know join. So this one is join J, and knife is K. So that's basically the tool, and of course Control R to create a new loop. Yeah, Control R, right? Yeah, Control R. It's already muscle memory, so I sometimes I forget the shortcut. So if you can see, there is a fault here and fault here. Now we can just uh, smooth this out, I guess. Yeah, let's just see. Okay. Yeah, probably if you want to try something like this, you can try it, I guess. This kind of sculpting using modeling tool. I think the flow on this one should be a little bit here. The nice thing about this workflow is it's because the mesh is not that um, it has not too many face. You can easily unwrap this. Okay, not that hard to unwrap, I guess. Since I use my idol a lot, the Uchu Paint, uh, it works better with the UV or the normal map and everything. I think this is looks a little bit weird. Yeah, I can also join this using GG and merge by distance. So if I also use collapse this thing, the collapse. Okay, I think I will, yeah, probably collapse this here. Okay, maybe not. I think I will just connect it there. Nelson Lima said, "Nice, awesome. Thank you." Yeah, it's I don't know. It's for maybe I kind of did this kind of workflow because the I think I started this kind of workflow in I don't know. Uh, I think it's 2018. Yeah, I started this workflow more often than Scout. Since at the time, I think the Blender scope is getting nowhere, so I need a better way to do things, I guess. So this is how I approaching that limitation, I guess. So after that, Pablo the Baro came, and I already getting used to this workflow. So yeah, I see this is kind of 3D S Max and my vertex manipulation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you saw all tutorials on 3D Max or Maya, this is how they used to do a lot of things before ZBrush. So it's all manual. Yeah, I think this. It also sometimes it's kind of I don't know. Not that you don't need to think too much. I guess just keep connect and keep connect and adding loops and everything. It's not that use a lot of your brain power. I guess. So that's why I can keep talking. Yeah, it's probably the same using sculptures, but I don't know. What do you think of Pablo Dobaro Cozy Blanket? Said Rudolph Bloom. I only saw a little bit of it. Yeah, since I'm not, it's actually a Retopo tools, right? I don't know. I rarely used Retopology since I uh, started from uh, immediately from the model. So I don't think I ever use a retopology tools since 2016, 17 probably. That's the last time I used Retopo. So I don't know. It's probably useful for some people. Yeah, if I will use I think if I do sculpting again at the first stage, I think I will do Retopo again. In the past, I usually just use the what is it, the string wrap modifier. I think that's enough, right? But I don't know, it's kind of too cumbersome for me, I guess. Karim said I use Retopo since I was kid. Yeah, sure. Sure, Karim, sure. I think you need to focus to avoid the ZBrush folies for now. Don't worry about Retopo tools, Karim. This is only for iPad, the cozy blanket, or no? Said Agni. I think currently it's yeah. I think it's for ZBrush only. I mean ZBrush only. It's for iPad only. I think the ZBrush folies is watching, so I'm sorry, ZBrush folies. Rudolph said maybe. Yeah, probably it will it's kind of shame if it only works on iPad. It probably will be ported to another operating systems, I guess. Yeah, I think I will also pair this. So this one will be okay. Yeah, I will try to use Copilot again. Hopefully it will works well now. I think I will ask for your guide, I guess, when I did that, since most of you probably already familiar with the Blender scope tools. Maybe not that. Hopefully not the complex character first. So it will be more fun, I guess, to execute. Yeah. So this is sometimes it will be kind of chaotic like this, but it's fine. Can always add more loops and everything. Wait. Cozy blanket is too expensive, in my humble opinion, says Fender Adept. How much is it? Maybe some hard surface like robot or Mac said robot Rodolph Long. I'm not I don't know. I'm not a big fan of hard surface, I guess, because sometimes it's, you know, I'm more of a organic modeling, I guess, since it's for the hard surface, it's usually most people, I don't know, most people, if they are doing hard surface, is when I saw it, is most likely adding random details and everything. I don't know. It's kind of too much, I guess, for me. It's too cumbersome or something to do. It used to be $75 when it came out. Set render adept. Cozy blanket, right? So how about now? I think, but I render adept continue. But I think they have changed the pricing moderately with the basic and premium levels, which I have not looked into. Karim said her surface is hard. Period. Yeah, it's hard to get it right, I guess. Yeah. At least for me, it's yeah, because it's hard. It's wait, my cat is fighting outside. I will take a look for a bit. Okay, I'm back. The fighting is over. I mean the cat fighting. 94 pack. Retopo pack is 90. Said Rodolph Bloom. What is Retopo pack? Add-on Blender add-on or on software? I will. Okay, I will use code for now. It's the cozy blanket. Oh, I see. Karim said, "See, that's like 90 shawarma sandwich here." So a shawarma is only $1 there. That's I think that's really nice. I guess shawarma here is like, I don't know, $2 or $3. It's usually something like that. It's so the cozy blanket is $90 per pack. So it's actually really good then. For if they charge you $90, it must be good probably. I think I will connect this. So has a nicer flow, hopefully. I miss the shawarma when I work in KSA. Uh, said Rodolph Lum. Where are you now? Turkish shawarma are the best, if I say. Yeah, since Karim is in Syria, it's probably not the best shawarma then. Sorry, sorry. I'm sorry, Karim. Sorry. Your shawarma is also good, probably. I'm in Philippines. Are you from there or are you just working there, Rudolph? But Syrian shawarma is far more superior. Yeah, sure. It's just like your opinion, I guess. I think Indonesian shawarma is the best, probably. I haven't eat shawarma in a while. There is no Indonesian shawarma, I'm sorry. It's just Arabic foods being sold here. Yes, a native, said Rodolph. I see. We are a neighbor then. Hello, neighbor. Don't say, yeah, sure, I'm spitting facts, said Karim. Okay? Hopefully, this is not too much, right? Probably too much. Wait, I think I will. Okay, I will. Okay, I think this is a little bit better. I think usually, I rarely eat shawarma, but sometimes I eat kebab, I guess. It's more common here. I think the shawarma is actually kebab, right? No? What's the difference between shawarma and kebab? Oh, good. Yeah, the same. So why someone call it kebab then? Different language? Egypt and India. I see. Thank you, Rudolph. So kebab is India or Egypt? Probably India, right? Kebab. Shawarma is Egypt. Okay, I think this one it should be a little bit lower, the fault, since uh wait, the the cape is has more like a down flow. I don't know what I'm talking about, but hopefully it still makes sense. Kebab is different thing though, said Karim. It's made out of meat. Well, shawarma is made of chicken. It's chicken and beef, but I like the beef with Coca-Cola. Cold Coca-Cola, super good. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think kebab is more like what is it, calf meat or something? Uh, I think the shawarma is usually different menu on the kebab shop, I guess. So it usually has a shawarma and kebab at the same time. I think, yeah, that's probably it. I forgot that this part is actually will be covered with the what is it, the color. So it's probably not that visible. So probably I'm doing the pointless, I guess. Man, I'm getting hungry. LOL, said Karim. Yeah, you. I think go out and buy some kebab, I guess. Uh, if you are not using Cozy Blanket, I think you all still have $90 left to use. So you can buy 90 of them. The shawarma, mm, not the kebab. Okay. I think I spent too much with the back part and forgot about the front. I think it's fine, at least for now. Now we can, yeah. Rodolflum say capsa with the whole chicken is my favorite when I work in KSA. Hmm. I never heard of that menu, but it's probably so delicious. Am I okay? This is using Solidify, so it's fine. Uh, I think let's fix the cuffs first. I think I need to spare this just to make sure. Oh, where's the logo? Rodolph, what did you do in case A? Out of curiosity, said Karim. I'm art designer. Okay, nice. What did you build there in PSA, Rudolph? Is that the big clock tower in the Mecca again? Houses and building. See. Wait, wait, wait. I forgot this kind of flip. Okay, this is right. Karim said, damn, I was going to major in architect, but end up majoring in ITE. Maybe you can try to apply it again, I guess, to the architect. I think the color will be harder to model, I guess. I will do my best. Okay, this one, I will hide it again. Last time I was there, we do it manually, Rodolph Lum said. What is that? What's what's the thing you do manually? Okay, 2 hours 26 minutes. Hopefully, I can fix the color in this stream. And we will continue to model the faults on the code or cape or something. Yeah, it will be a little bit Cumbersome. Rudolph said, mean we don't use computer, it's by hand making plans and design. I see. When was that? Is it 10 years ago or something? Okay, this one is actually, I see. This kind of thing is kind of straight out now. I only do computer when I work in Singapore, Rudolf Bloom said. So there is a lot of, I see, I didn't, I have no idea about architecture work, but so uh, there is still a lot of manual work, I guess. Yeah. Then okay, this one also. I will fix this part a little bit. Like, wait. Okay. It's, I don't know. I'm consulting, said Rudolf Lum. What is company you are working with consulting? Said Rudolf Lum. Al Nimran Consulting. It's in Al Khobar. I see. Sounds like you do a lot of expensive project, I guess. Hmm. It's a little bit tricky, the color, because this is actually connected. I didn't realize that. I don't know. Hmm. Probably close enough is fine, right? You don't have to exactly. I don't know. I think I will hide it here. I will try. We are at 2 hours now. It's more like 2 hours and 30 minutes. So if this doesn't work, I think I need to connect this. Actually connect this to this one. But the problem with that is we already unwrap the color. I think we need to redo that from scratch. It's not that hard though. The code, the everything. But uh, that's why I usually just use a very basic base mesh. Since I usually do a lot of texturing after the post. So it's kind of redoing the shape again. I don't know. I will still probably try to hide the fault, I guess. The color, the connection to here. Just extrude less bit and make it very close to the base mesh code. Said Karim. Yeah, I will probably just try that. But it won't look the same if I don't know. Yeah, the most frustrating part, I guess, for this kind of color is it has some kind of depth, right? The some kind of thickness. So currently I use Solidify to make it a little bit simpler. So if I connect this to the base code, I need to actually model the thickness, and that's kind of really cumbersome thing to do. Okay, hopefully, I think yeah, I will just make it a little bit close, and I will try to create a gold line again here. I guess I don't know, but sometimes it's kind of. Karim said, "Quick fix for the 5 second view. It will be 6 second or maybe seven, Karim. So I need a little bit better model, I guess. I think the texturing part won't be that hard to redo since we already separate the. Yeah, if I decided to do that. Right. I think I will make this a little bit bigger. I think this one is also a little bit to the front. Since I plan to create a turntable out of this. Oh, I see. I think this one will be a little bit a problem since it will be visible from here. So I need to actually model the inside part also. Maybe I just don't. Maybe we don't. Will not create a turntable in the end, but I don't know. It's more complicated than I thought before. Sorry. Okay, maybe if I'm using Cycles, it won't be visible the inside part, but yeah, if I'm using Cycles, it probably won't be visible. But if I'm using Eevee, it's a little bit visible, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, let's just try to fix what we have got here. So the neck is also actually look a little bit too long. So what we can do, wait, where's the bone? So I can just scale this, but the head will be also scaled. So I usually just Where is it? Make the inherent scale to none. So if I scale this, it will only affect this point. Probably also this one. Where is it? Okay, doing something like this. I think my target now is fixing the proportion, I guess, to make it looks better in several angle. Okay, probably something like this. Karim said, "Don't worry, man. Just keep going." Yeah. Uh, I think the modeling color is one of the most annoying part, I guess. The line is also too big. Yeah, so I will make it this one a little bit bigger. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky. Uh, with the back. Wait, let me see. So this one needs to be a little bit higher. Hmm. I think I will fix this part first, so it will look more natural. I think also the belly part is a little bit too uh, long here, so I will also scale this. It's a little bit too small. This one is also okay. Yeah, I think it's probably better if I connect this to the actual cape. But I think I will try it. I don't know, probably next stream. But I will save that first, the project, so just in case there is something wrong. Since I think the yeah, this is the doesn't look the flow is doesn't look too nice. If we look at this angle, it looks like it kind of patch right here rather than it flows to the back. Yeah, this one also. So if we maybe this is my mistake from the start, I guess. So I don't know. Yeah. By doing that, we also will be kind of redo the material, but I think that part is not that hard. Yeah, since we already has the everything. The before that, I think I will fix this part first. Let's make it a little bit nice. Uh, since my original plan is just standing like the post reference, but I think that's too boring for the final pose. So yeah, that's why I changed it to this pose. But it has its own challenge, I guess. So this defaults, right? Something like this is kind of tricky. What we can do, I think this is kind of wait a little bit. I think the hand is a little bit tilted. I think it's fine. Let's say the design is double layer. That Rodolph Loom. Hmm. Uh, I don't know. Is it just me or I think if I saw something that I can still fix, I will start. I will try. I will still try to fix it. I guess. Hopefully, it won't take too long. Yeah, hopefully. Uh, okay. I think the back part is also a little bit weird. Is it because okay, if I move it here, okay. I think I will also search for another, at least the back reference, to make it a little bit better, I guess. Okay, this one is a little bit lower. Okay, I think this is at least fine for now. We can continue with the face tomorrow, I guess, to make it a little bit more. It still has a flat expression. Yeah, I think we can continue with the face tomorrow. After that, we can do the fixing for the foot. It looks like her face facing more to the side rather than a straight one on the camera as the reference. Yeah, actually, I don't want to actually use. Actually, I don't want to use this exact reference for the face, since I think this one is actually a little bit blend in 3D, I guess, at least. I already sketched one that I will. It's actually not my sketch, but I kind of try to mix match the another face on top of this illustration. I think I will do a more like a tilted head at the end post, at the end render, end post. I mean, yeah. Since hopefully it will be look more interesting. This kind of face is kind of, I don't know. It's probably look good in 2D, but I don't think it will look great in 3D. Yeah, probably tomorrow will be face first. Maybe this hand fault if I don't finish it now. Uh, I will continue it a little bit tomorrow, and then I will continue with the face. Okay. Let's just see from the other side. So this kind of part is interesting since the last part is kind of tweaking the shape and everything is always take quite a bit of time since it's always, especially if you're targeting a turntable, I guess. Uh, Hopefully I can still do that, the turntable, without looking weird, the mesh and everything. Yeah, I can just apply this and connecting this part at the bottom for the fix for the kit. Hopefully that will work out. Uh, so yeah, it's probably coming later. Okay, the upload here is a little bit to the top. Maybe I will also move this one a little bit. Or maybe should I use both brush, right? Where is it? Yeah, everything move out, right? Why why everything is moving? Okay, I have no idea what's going on. I think I will just move it manually. Okay, maybe just a little bit. Okay, this one. I think I will create this kind of wait state. I think I will save it first, just in case. Mm, wait. Uh, oh, so I keep jumping around with the thing that I'm working on. I think, yeah, I used to work non-linearly, I guess. Well, hopefully this one doesn't look that weird. I think I will try to tweak this using Sculptus. Okay, it's already 3 hours. I will. try make a little bit of fix for the last time, I guess, on this thing. I hope this one doesn't look weird, right? It's fine, I guess. I can always tweak it later. Okay. Also, this one is actually has more defined shape. It's not that visible in this kind of lighting. Probably something like this. Okay, I think the fault here is a little bit too much. Move it a little bit up. Okay, let's just see. Yeah, I think we need also this kind of part here on the other side. Okay, maybe the last time we'll do that. Uh, Usually the second time of creating details like this is usually a little bit faster. Wait, my cat. Okay. Okay, I think this kind of detail is enough. Okay, okay, maybe just a little bit more. I think I need to connect here. This one here. Yeah, I think this is looking fine. Oh, this one. Okay. Also, the flow is a little bit. Yeah, I think this is looking good enough. Okay. I think tomorrow I will fix the hand fold. Yeah, I will fix the hand folds and I will continue with the face and the hair, I guess. So after that, we will continue fixing the what is it, the cape. Hopefully, it won't be that long. Uh, that's what I'm hoping, I guess. Also, this one is actually has interesting. So yeah, it's probably let's see from all the angle. Yeah, this kind of fault is still. I just randomly create this fault, so it's probably not. I think the trick is I can just move the turntable fast in the back, so no one will notice it too much. I guess that's usually my trick when I create turntable before. So yeah, probably I can do that at the final render using the turntable. Hmm. I mean, I want to a little bit to the head. Okay. We'll tweak some more just for the last time. Also the wait. Oh, so the shape a little bit right here. It's kind of the right side of the skirt is kind of visible in the reference. Okay, I think I will fix this. Okay, yeah, I keep saying that again. So tomorrow we will fix hopefully this one and this one, and then the face. So it will look more interesting, I guess. It's the actual pose is a little bit different now than the reference. I think that's fine. We add a little bit of originality, I guess, for our final pose. Hopefully, it still looks good. Probably. Okay, I think that's it for today's stream. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will hopefully I can continue again tomorrow. So yeah, have a good day and see you again later. Bye.